Which method makes the best bacon? We're going to test out 3 different ones here. I'm going to use standard cut bacon. Normally I buy thick, but we're going to do 3 different cooks. I bought these just because these are the easiest to find in the stores for everyone across the country. 2 pans and an oven, toaster oven. We're going to do the cold start method in one pan. We're going to do water in the other pan, which is also cold start, but with water added. And then the oven. 2 pieces each, just so in case one overcooks, one undercooks, I can find a happy middle ground. We're cooking these on 300 degrees in the oven. Very easy. And we're going to cook the actual bacon itself on around a medium heat, middle level for whatever your oven is, not too hot, not too low. The water one, we're going to add in just about a 1/4 cup of water. You want to make sure the bottom of the pan is a very thin layer like that. You can see the fat very easily breaks out and kind of separates from the water. That's what you're looking for. You want the water to fully evaporate. And the other pan, you're just cooking it based on its own rendering fat. You can see this one is definitely cooking in the water. It's almost steaming and boiling at the same time, which I feel like might be an interesting texture. I've never tried it. We're going to flip over the cold start alone pan. These are definitely cooking faster than any other method. The water is almost fully evaporated, so that's good. These aren't ready to flip yet, though, so I'm just going to move them around a bit. Now, they're still a little under, but I want to flip them over just to continue the cooking process on both sides. These ones are done already. These are just the cold start alone pan. These cooked rapidly. Finally getting some color on the water pan, which is interesting. They took way longer, and they're holding more of their overall fat and shape. But I'm going to pull these now. They're right about where I personally would want bacon. And let's pull out the oven ones. These wound up cooking for an extra probably 5 or 6 minutes compared to the stove top. So these probably were about 20 minutes in the oven. So definitely not the shortest method. And here are the 3 of them. I think water and oven look the best, but let's actually taste these. Starting with the cold start only. These are definitely the crunchiest, the least chewy. I like my bacon a little kind of in that middle ground. The water cooked ones actually still have a very good chew to them, but they are also crunchy. So these are like really good, way better than I thought they were going to be. Yeah, these are just really great. Let's try the oven ones. The oven ones I think are the best. It's a very close call between oven and water. The cold start ones I just feel like cooked way too quickly, and they went from being where I would want them to really crispy really fast, which isn't forgiving if you're cooking bacon for a large group of people. Oven, these were very consistent. It was very easy to watch when they were at the point you wanted them. See, they're still holding their shape, but they are still soft. The cold start ones, just cold pan, didn't do it for me. I'd say those are the worst. I'd rank them oven, water, cold start. But honestly, oven and water method both produced fantastic bacon. So I would say try either of those methods, and I think you're going to be really happy with them. But I still think oven is the OG champ in making the best perfect bacon.